brainwashing muna ha. O pag brainstorming pala, brainwashing. I'm Aguido de la Cruz. They call me Kagido, Tatay Gido, Manggido, ganun. 84 years old na ako dito. And I came to Canada way back 1998. Virgin Miranda, 41. Kanya naman ako nakapunta dito sa Canada because my daughter sila nag-invite at nag-sponsor sa akin. Ang constraint on because of my present work, I was given the position as City Agriculturist of Lipa City. I stayed here for 6 months and then I went back to the Philippines to serve the government as for another 6 months. Bali, 12 years ako as City Agriculturist. I was so happy kasi upon arrival of my youngest daughter dito, she invited also her sisters because maganda daw dito, ganyan. We finally agreed na to work out our papers not to come over to Canada.
There's higher chance of the skin breaking, and when that skin breaks, there's a lot of bugs, there's a lot of diseases that can get in there.
Maluwag ang trabaho ko sa Pilipinas noon. Dito, imagine, I have to be in the field. Napakainit. Talagang nahirapan ako. So I decided to resign. And then I applied and then I was given a chance. In-interview ka agad ako and was immediately taken in as a sales associate. I enjoyed my work as a sales associate. I stayed there for 12 years up to the time na ako'y nagiging department manager. Back home, I really miss the job. Namimiss ko pa rin because of my association with them. We could call them every now and then. Ang nagiging problema lang kasi ng ibang seniors dito, meron dyan na tumitira lang na walang kasama. A lot of problems actually crop up sa mga ibang seniors noon. Kasi karamihan ng iba, di ka na cope up with their pangungulila nila. Alam mo mga Filipinos, because our culture na yung magkakababayan, we form the Lipa City Association of Canada. Not only Filipinos, other Filipinos kasi and that's where na-meet ko yung mga kapwa natin mga Filipinos, especially the senior group.
Ay, wala kami!
Sabi ko, yung joining organizations, kagaya maraming events na naka-program, unti-unti yung malilimutan ninyo yung lungkot, yung isolation.
As much as we can pick up some apples.
I actively involve myself in talking to some of the, especially the newcomers. Iniinganyo ko sila na to join, keep joining, continue joining the, especially yung mga trips because more and more activities is ahead of us. Sociable naman ako. I made a lot of friends, especially sa seniors group. Yung dancing na ganyan. Everybody wanted to dance with me. As you go along with joining an organization, nakakausap nyo sila ng exchange of experiences, befriending these people. Marami kayong makukuha na ma-integrate nyo sa pang-araw-araw ninyong ano to. Maganda yung ating pag-join dito sa kababayan because doon lang natin ma-share natin yung ating problema sa kanila and then little by little na ano naman nila.
Wow!
Mayroon tayong mga settlement counselors na nagbibigay ng advice at yung mga programs na doon tayo makakakuha ng mayroon kayong mga makakaibigan doon na that will help to get out from the present condition nyo na para kayong na-isolate.
Ano ang pambansang isda ng Pilipinas? Huwag niyo pong sabihin ng tamang sagot, mga tita. Itaas niyo lang po ang kamay.
talagang utang na loob ko sa kababayan noon ng pagtulong doon sa aking mga anak noon during their early part. And at the same time, kinikilala nila yung participation ko din na yung pakikisama nila, binibigyan ka ng importansya. They are all very friendly. As a matter of fact, kung ano mang i-share ko sa kanila, tinatanggap naman nila with the support of the counselor, of course. Kanya nga kayong mga friends ko, pag sinabing nakikita ko, they do not call me sometimes my name. Oy, Mr. Kababayan! Yun ang kanilang ano sa akin.
Thank you again.
Kung katulad ko, ng passion ko is volunteerism attitude ko, ay madali kayong maka-adjust by joining organizations. Number one na itong kababayan because halos lahat ng pwede ma-share sa inyo ay naibibigay. Maging yung pinaka-pag-alaga ninyo, well-being natin, well-being ninyo, kagaya niya medical, mga dental, mga health, mga food, mga ano to, nutrition, isi-share nila lahat yan. Iba yung ano ng kababayan na tumulong without asking any financial support. Kasi hindi ako ipinanganak na may silver platter, silver spoon. Pamilya ko, yung mga anak ako ng mga farmers. Ang aking ano ko talaga is may bibigay ko yung aking nalalaman. Ang pagtulong ay talagang isa sa mga passion ko din. Iyan ay talagang babaunin ko na yan sa aking ano to. Hanggat may hininga ako.